Cold spots hitting, weird sounds in the vents. Energy bills climbing, making no sense. Don't wait till it breaks and the holidays freeze. Lock in the deal now, get comfort with ease. Furnished tune up, just 59 bucks. Boiler checkup, 119, no bad luck. Stop big repairs, boost efficiency fast. Keep the whole